Hello everyone! Have you ever found it incredibly difficult to admit when you're wrong? Don't worry, you're not alone. Admitting mistakes feels hard for almost everyone. But why is that? And more importantly, how can we overcome this challenge? In today's video, we'll discuss the 5 psychological reasons that make admitting mistakes so tough and explore practical ways to fix them. Stay tuned till the end because these tips can strengthen your relationships and build your self-confidence. Number 1. The power of ego. The first reason is ego. When we admit mistakes, it can feel like a personal attack on our sense of self. We fear appearing weak or flawed in front of others. Solution. Understand that admitting mistakes isn't a sign of weakness. It's a mark of self-awareness and strength. Set your ego aside and focus on growth. Number 2. Fear of judgment. The second reason is fear. We worry that if we admit our mistakes, people will criticize us, reject us, or our reputation will be damaged. Solution. Remember, people often respect those who own up to their mistakes. It shows integrity and honesty, which can strengthen your relationships and reputation. Number 3. The perfectionism trap. The third reason is perfectionism. We tend to think we are perfect and incapable of making mistakes. When we face our errors, we either deny them or make excuses. Solution. It's important to accept that nobody is perfect. Mistakes are a natural part of life and learning. Accepting your imperfections can actually help you grow and improve. Number 4. The blame game. It's often easier to point fingers at others than to accept personal responsibility. This blame-shifting behavior protects our self-esteem in the short term but harms relationships and prevents growth in the long run. Solution. Cultivate a habit of accountability. Instead of focusing on who's at fault, focus on finding solutions. Taking responsibility not only builds trust, but also positions you as a reliable and mature individual in personal and professional settings. Number 5. Fear of emotional pain. Finally, admitting mistakes can stir up uncomfortable emotions like guilt, embarrassment, or shame. These feelings are unpleasant, so it's natural to avoid them, but by avoiding them, we deny ourselves the opportunity to grow. Solution. Face your emotions head-on. Understand that guilt and embarrassment are temporary. Use them as a motivation to do better next time. You'll find that confronting these feelings becomes easier and more rewarding than avoiding them. Admitting mistakes is never easy, but it's an essential skill for personal growth and strong relationships. Ego, fear of judgment, perfectionism, blame shifting, and emotional pain. You can begin to dismantle them one by one. Remember, mistakes don't define you. How you handle them does. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Let us know in the comments what's the hardest part about admitting mistakes for you. See you in the next video.